Top 6 Best Action Camera for 2022. Rugged, feature-rich cams for adventure lovers. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top 6 of the best action cameras in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the GoPro HERO10 Black. This GoPro HERO10 Black is the most versatile action camera you can buy today. By design, it looks similar to its predecessor. It features a 1.4-inch front LCD for vloggers, which GoPro claims is a little smoother when showing movement than before, thanks to its higher frame rates enabled by the GP2 processor. And for the sensor, it comes equipped with a 23.6 megapixel 1/2.3-inch sensor, which is the same as the Hero9 Black. In addition to these incredible 23 megapixel photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second, Hero10 also offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion and an 8 times slow-mo at 2.7K, so you can pause videos and grab 15.8 megapixel still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. And finally, for the battery, you can use Hero10 Black's extended battery mode to maximize your camera's runtime, as it uses the most energy-efficient resolutions and frame rates to extend battery life. Next is DJI Action 2. This DJI Action 2 isn't just ultra versatile, it is also the brand's most powerful action camera yet. Built tough, this Action 2 is drop-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof at depths of up to 10 meters. And featuring an innovative magnetic design, it will let you effortlessly swap out accessories as you capture life on the go. It houses a touchscreen and lens constructed of Gorilla Glass that's durable enough for any adventure. And at the top of Action 2, you can find the Soul button, while at the base are pogo connecting points. Now, if you're wondering how this DJI Action 2 attaches to its modular mates, it works with magnets and clamps. The base of the Action 2 and the top plate of the module feature strong magnets that maintain a serious attraction. While for connectivity, with its DJI Mimo app, you can effortlessly capture, edit, and share the highlights of any adventure, as this app is filled with intuitive features and powerful editing tools, all available right at your fingertips. Next is GoPro MAX. This new Max 360-degree action camera is arguably a much bigger upgrade to its predecessors. Like the GoPro Fusion, this Max uses two 180-degree fisheye lenses to capture anything in its direct line of sight. However, now with Max, stitches these two hemispherical video files together automatically, while the GoPro smartphone app will help you edit and publish spherical media from start to finish on your phone. For the audio, it offers 6 mics to capture true-to-life 360 audio, delivering the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro, when the additional microphones provide a surplus of audio information that can cancel out background noise and hone in on voices or other sounds. Other than this, Max also gets decent 16-foot water resistance, inbuilt retractable mounting fingers, and is compact enough to be used with GoPro's entire range of mounting solutions. Next is DJI Osmo Action. If you're a vlogger that is craving steady video but doesn't want to pay GoPro prices, then this DJI Osmo Action will be a great alternative. It has dual screens that will allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button, a vivid front screen to frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen is designed to deliver a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. It features a rock-steady technology that combines EIS with complex algorithms, offering stable, shake-free footage, no matter how heavy the action gets. And when it comes to its camera, it houses 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, 12 megapixel wide-angle 145 degree that allows you to shoot 4K HDR videos, and an 8 times slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 frames per second. You will get 5 voice commands to make essential functions like filming, capturing photos and powering down the device effortlessly. While its quick switch button will ensure that the modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. Next is Insta360 ONE R. This ONE R Twin Edition can transform on the fly from a 360-degree camera to a wide-angle 4K 60 frames per second action camera. It has a modular design that seems almost practical, and meeting the IPX8 standard and resisting to 5 meters means whether you're on the pool side or on a rainy day, this ONE R can handle it all. Its dual lens 360 mod raises the bar with super 5.7K resolution, leveraging 8.265 encoding, advanced image processing, and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. And introducing a new scene deletion algorithm, your footage will also stay clear and steady even in low light. For controls, you can remotely control this Insta360 ONE R using the companion app, which works pretty well. While its invisible selfie stick effect will help you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of a wrist. Lastly, we have the Sony RX0 II. This RX0 II from Sony squeezes the high-quality imaging technology from the RX series into an ultra-compact, robust, and waterproof body. It features a tilting LCD screen for easy and convenient framing that tilts up 180 degrees and down 90 degrees. Utilizing this screen will make it easy for you to shoot at different high and low angles and selfies when flipped up 180 degrees. And when it comes to its camera, it houses Zeiss Tesmar 24mm 1 f4.0 fixed wide-angle lens, paired with the 1-inch stacked back-illuminated 15.3 MP5 Exmor RS CMOS image sensor and Bionz X image processor, delivering sharp images and incredible 4K video that can be recorded internally. This RX0 II also features a mini microphone input jack that enhances audio through optional external microphones and a proxy recording. And finally, for accessories, it includes a rechargeable battery pack, NP-BJI AC adapter, micro USB cable, wrist strap, memory card protector, and an instruction manual. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.